when you have a floor tile we're in the grout is already gone or diminished, you have to replace that one with a new one because the water can seep into it and eventually it will just damage the whole thing. So here we need to remove the old grouts, and we will replace it with a fresh grout. So I'm gonna do this with my terrace so that I can preserve the footprint. Even here on the stairs, look at that. These are some of the things DIY that we can actually do during this pandemic or lockdown. And these are the things you need to put some fresh gravel to remove the old one. Okay. Number four. Remove the cleaning, removing the black spots, just using some rocks plus some kind of gimmicks on there. Just like that. Something like that. Wow, so floor is now being mopped, very clean. This is just the terrace. See that? You can apply the grout to the level, down to the stairs. Some of these things cannot be removed. See? Some of these things cannot be removed. So this is like a sample of those tiles that are lifted. That's why you need to really put some grout. Okay, we will remove it. See? That's how it is. And then the other one also is already lifted. That's why we will chip off the cement and put some cement and then install it again and put some grout. That's the purpose of the grout. Now we're chipping off the old cement so that we can put a new one for the tiles to stick onto it. So good. Okay, we're now going to use pure cement. So we will just mix it. Anyway, there are only 2 tiles to install. Bali, dalawa lang naman eh. So, diretso semento na lang. Hindi na kailangan ng buhangin. Mas matibay pa. So, this is how we do that. We just mix it. Just mixing it. pinapakita ko lang na ganito ang preparation. But I'm not gonna, I'm just showing you that this is how you prepare the cement mixed with water, only plain water. But I'm not gonna finish the whole process for the purpose. This is just for illustration purpose only. Okay, ganyan. After this mix, ilalagay na yung, we will put the tiles. That is Christian in action. Okay, mixing it thoroughly. And then, this is the tile grout that we will use later. The color I choose is, what's that? Ocher color tile grout. It's like color gold. Now the cement is prepared. That's how it looks, and then we will just put the tiles, just like that. Okay. We're just repairing the cement. So it needs additional because it's sink. Level dyan. Hindi siya level. Okay. Siguro mag-timpla ka dito sa kabila. Okay. No, ano mo to? This one. Iwan to siya. Iwan to. Kasi hindi pwede yan malalim. Patay dyan, isang oras daw yung movie na. Okay, just adding cement just to elevate the surface para aangat siya konti. The other tiles is already like installed on level. Diyan, i-level mo yan ha. Lalagyan ng ano, lagyan niya ng parang lagyan mo ng parang buhangin na lang. Susukan.
Ito? Hindi ka nalang gawin.
Hindi, sa ilalim.
Hindi ka nalang.
Sige, okay, tingnan mo.
Ganito kasi mataas na isa.
Putting some rocks, small rocks or debris just to elevate the top corner of the tiles to level it with the fixed tiles. This one, Chan, bawasan mo yan, lower, yan, baba. Yan. Kabila, lagyan mo ng parang maliit na bato. Installing the second tiles. Putting debris to level it. Balance it. Okay. Okay, good. Clean it. Then we put the grout. Okay, these are the two tiles that we just put back. One was broken, and there's no more spare. So we're now preparing the grout. Oh, the color is nice. It's like gold. Just fits it. This color is how to pronounce it? Ocher? Ocher. It's not beige. Bakit dyan nilagay dyan? Dapat sa mas malapat. Kasi may water. Bakit puso? Put water. Okay, mixing the grout with the water. More or less is now mixed, just like that, homogeneous mixing. Water and the grout. Oh, I like the colors, like gold. And then we will apply it starting from here at the terrace, like that, just there. So we're now applying the grout, just like that. This is a DIY. Okay, we're not really like expert. We just try to do it on our own just to avoid like contact with other people. I like the color. Look at it. It just fits. After that, we just wipe it off with a sponge. This is the terrace of my house in Manila. So this is the house with grout. We will just mop it. Mop na lang natin ito.
No, punta lang ito. Pagkatapos na. Pag natuyo na. Important lang yung...
So we're now cleaning the floor tiles after putting the grout. See that? See, it looks so nice. The gold color, it just fits it. So this is now the floor tiles with a new grout. See that? It looks so good and clean. And even you cannot even recognize that there's a broken tile. And this is the one. See? Yep, nice. And it includes the stairs, new grout, clean, just like that. And this is now my terrace table with the blue chair. The chairs are not inviting. Plants over there. Oh, very nice table. I love it. Thank you.